Most of my pregnant patients in OPD ask me whether they should go for a normal delivery or opt for a cesarean section. I am Dr. Swarnalatha, consultant gynecologist, currently working at GEMS Hospital. Normally, most of the patients think that normal deliveries are very much painful. But in fact, in normal delivery, the baby is coming through the natural vaginal orifice. But in cesarean section, we have to incise certain structures and remove the baby. Hence, normal deliveries are very much painless compared to cesarean surgeries. This is the first advantage of a normal delivery. And the second advantage is that patient gets recovered earlier than a cesarean section. And the third advantage is that the blood loss in normal vaginal deliveries is usually 500 ml, whereas in cesarean section, the blood loss is greater than 1000 ml. What are the advantages of this normal delivery to babies? The first advantage to baby is that the babies squeeze themselves through the natural birth canal. So, in this process, the excess fluid which is accumulated in the lungs gets cleared off and the baby will be breathing more naturally compared to a cesarean delivery. Whereas in cesareans, babies born by the cesarean section, there is a condition known as transient tachypnea of newborn (TTN), which means that the excess fluid in the lungs of these babies accumulates and leads to breathing difficulties. And the second advantage is that babies have more immunity when compared to the cesarean sections. As a consultant gynecologist, if the patients are having pain during the delivery, if they complain like that, now many methods are available such as epidural analgesia and Entonox, which make the delivery process very natural and very much painless to the patients. So the first indication of cesarean is that cephalopelvic disproportion (CPD), which means that the baby head through the delivery should squeeze through the maternal pelvis. When the head is big or the fetal head is big and the maternal pelvis is very small, the baby can't force itself through the natural delivery. So in such cases, when there is cephalo means head and pelvis disproportion, we have to severe cases of CPD, we go for a cesarean section. For more such videos, log on to GEMS Hospital.